Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. Today's video is a different kind of video than my usual ones. I recently explored the magic of opposed cooking, that is one pot one shot cooking, and I was very pleased with the results. I'm happy to share it with you today in this video and hope you will find it useful. I cooked a complete South Indian thali which includes a sweet as well, and all it took was just 30 minutes start to finish. The dishes were yummy and surprisingly I had used only less vessels and utensils compared to my regular cooking. Let us see how. Before getting started, please subscribe Queen Bee Paradise and hit the bell button so not to miss the useful videos from this channel. The menu for today is rice, radish sambar, tomato rasam, potato curry, curd and a milk sweet called mins.The, which is a Bengali sweet. Today it's going to be part of our South Indian thali as it is very easy to make. As a first step, I'm spreading some newspapers on the countertop and start cutting the veggies which are washed and kept ready. I'm cutting the radish into thicker pieces as I'm going to cook it in the pressure cooker. The waste can be collected in the newspaper and discarded easily. This way the countertop remains neat. I've taken the required amount of rice and dal in the cooker containers and washed them thoroughly. I'm adding the required quantity of water to the rice. To the washed dal, I am adding the required veggies, masala powders and salt that I usually add in the sambar. This mixture will be cooked in the pressure cooker. Once when cooked, we just need to add tempering to finish the sambar. This opposed sambar was liked by my family and nobody found any difference between the regular sambar and the opposed sambar. Isn't it amazing? Just try it once and let me know how you liked it. I'm placing the rice and the sambar containers inside the cooker and I'm just placing the washed potatoes on the top plate. This needs to be cooked for 5 to 6 whistles. While this is getting cooked, let us prepare for the opposed rasam. I'm grating few tomatoes, adding little tamarind to it. Then I'm adding all the ingredients that I usually add in the rasam, except the tempering and the coriander leaves, which will be added at the end. Now let us keep the rasam on the stove for cooking. I have a 3-burner stove and I will be loading the sweet dish on the 3rd burner. So everything gets cooked parallelly. For the sweet, I am taking 1 cup of thick curd. Ensure the curd is not very sour. Adding half cup of condensed milk to it. Half cup of fresh cream, cardamom powder, and I am adding few spoons of powdered jaggery. After beating the mixture well, I am transferring it into a greased container with lid. This will go into the cooker. This needs to be cooked for 4 to 5 whistles. Now all the dishes are being cooked parallelly. Our rasam is done. I am removing from the stove, and in the same burner I made some tempering. I am adding half of the tempering to the rasam and finishing it with little coriander leaves. Meanwhile, our sweet is also done. I am unmolding the mishti dough into a plate. Look at it, a nicely set cheesecake. Looks yummy and smells amazing. Wow, the wobbly texture is so tempting, isn't it? The taste is similar to a softer version of kalakand. Now, our rice, sambar and potato is also done. I'm just adding the remaining tempering to our sambar and diluting it with hot boiling water. Sambar is done. I had retained some of the cut veggies for the potato. Now, after peeling and mashing the potato, I am just frying these ingredients together with some oil and mustard seeds. Our potato curry is also ready. A perfect South Indian thali, a comfort food cooked at home in a jiffy. Now all of us can spend less time in kitchen and enjoy more family time. Hope you liked the video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. See you again in another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.